I hope not.
We'll see what happens.
What's up, everybody? And you are watching Be Ice Cream or Be Nothing. We are gonna make pumpkin spice ice cream. This isn't sugar, this is flour. There we go.
Too spicy.
Pumpkin's not spicy.
Peanut everywhere. Yep, spicy. Let me go get it.
Well, no, I'll go get it. I'm right here. Half a teaspoon.
Daddy,
Yeah, you don't want to do the cinnamon challenge. Now we got some clove.
can I try it?
You can smell it though. You like it? You need some nutmeg.
I can know.
Sure. Uh-huh. There's a piece of nutmeg. Oh, no thanks. Oh, too fast. What are we getting next?
Come.
We got all of our ice cream.
I can do it.
Sure you can. You just gotta believe in yourself. Thank you so much for subscribing. Have a good day.